Dealing with constant sneezing while sick? Let's find out why it happens. Cold viruses irritate the lining of your nasal passages, causing inflammation and triggering sneezing. Sneezing is your body's natural defense. It's trying to clear out the virus, mucus, and other irritants to keep you healthy. If it feels like you can't stop sneezing, that's because your body is constantly detecting irritants during a cold, causing repeated sneezing fits. To ease the sneezing, try nasal sprays, stay hydrated, and rest. These can soothe your nasal passages and help reduce sneezing. For more health tips, follow docus.ai.